Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed grief over the demise of Padma Shri Daripali Ramaiah, popularly known as the Green Crusader. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today affirmed that both the Union Government and the Maharashtra Government are committed to developing Raigad Fort, the historic seat of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The 8th meeting of Joint Committee on Asian-India Trade in Goods Agreement concluded. National Payment Corporation of India has said that Unified Payment Interface UPI transactions are being declined partially due to some intermittent technical issues. In the Indian Super League football final, Mohun Bagan Super Giant will face Bengaluru FC in Kolkata today. The match is scheduled to begin at 7:30 p.m.